Nearly everything that a human does is in response to the environment. Man and environment are interrelated. Maintenance of ecological balance and preserving biodiversity has been the utmost importance to NTPC, the largest power producer of the nation. With a total installed capacity of 47,228 megawatts, NTPC Vindhyachal is one of the jewels in the crown of NTPC. It is the largest power station in the country, with a generating capacity of 4,760 megawatts, completed in 5 stages since its inception in 1982, having 6 units of 200 megawatts and 7 units of 500 megawatts capacity. Being a coal-based thermal power plant, its primary input is coal, which is coming from nearby NCL coal mines, with an average consumption of 65,000 tons per day. The next major input is water, which is coming from the discharge canal from NTPC Singrauli, with an average demand of 150 to 160 cusecs per day. With better awareness and appreciation towards ecology and environment, the station is continually looking for innovative and cost-effective solutions to conserve natural resources and reduce waste. Since gross calorific value (GCV) of coal is a deciding factor for its specific consumption, therefore, higher the calorific value, lower its specific consumption. Beside dust extraction (DE) and dust suppression (DS) systems is there to contain and extract the fugitive dust released in the coal handling plant (CHP). Neutralization pits have been provided in the water treatment plant for pH correction of effluents before discharge into effluent treatment plant (ETP). ETP is linked with EQMS, Effluent Quality Monitoring System, for continual monitoring. Cooling towers have been provided for cooling the hot condensers in closed-cycle water systems. This helps in reduction in thermal pollution and conservation of fresh water. Optimization of water consumption are made by reusing this treated water again to attain zero discharge from the plant premises.
NTPC Vindhyachal is committed to produce clean power from fossil fuel. We are implementing liquid waste treatment schemes to target 0% discharge from our power station.
While deciding the appropriate technology for its power station, Vindhyachal integrates many environmental provisions into plant designs. Tall flue gas stacks, commonly known as chimneys, have been provided for wider dispersion of the gaseous emission by adopting best combustion practices to minimize pollution. Low NOx burners are used to manage NOx and carbon monoxide under controlled temperature. To check SOx emission with the flue gas, FGD, flue gas desulfurization system, has also been implemented to convert toxic gases into useful products like gypsum, which can be used in making of cement, glass, fertilizers, gypsum boards, etc. High efficiency electrostatic precipitators (ESPs) of 99.9% efficiency and above have been provided to control the particulate emission. well within stipulated norms. To monitor the level of various emissions, the station has installed Continuous Emissions Monitoring System (CEMS) at the chimney outlets in all 13 units, wherein particulate matters PM, SOx, NOx and CO2 are regularly monitored as per directions issued by the Central and State Pollution Control Boards.
Our electrostatic precipitators are working at 99.96% efficiency. We have undertaken renovation and modernization schemes to improve efficiency of ESPs to even higher level. We are also putting up state-of-the-art FGD plant which will further separate sulfur from the stack.
To maintain a transparency in the process of environment monitoring, CEMS fitted at the outlets of chimneys and EQMS fitted with effluent treatment plant are online linked with Central and State Pollution Control Boards for monitoring and compliance. 4 ambient air quality monitoring stations AAQMS are also installed to monitor various ambient air quality parameters such as PM, SOx, NOx, CO2, etc. Once the coal is burned to generate steam and further to generate power through various processes, ash is produced at 34% of coal used. The dry ash is being stored in big silos, which is being used for immediate disposal to users. Dry ash has much higher utilization potential in the ash-based products such as bricks, concrete blocks, Portland cement, concrete, etc. The station has also installed fly ash brick plant for its internal use. To deal with the remaining, fly ash and bottom ash from the plant are mixed with water to form ash slurry. The slurry is then pumped up to the ash ponds, which are located within few kilometers distance from the plant. The discharged effluents conform to standards specified by Central Pollution Control Board, and the same is regularly monitored. As a proactive measure, the station is provided with AWRS, Ash Water Recycling System, in which effluents from ash ponds are circulated back to the station for further ash sluicing to the ash ponds. This helps in savings of fresh water requirements for transportation of ash from the plant. As a policy, NTPC Vindhyachal lays special emphasis on land use and biodiversity in the way of development of green belts, energy plantations, reclamation of abandoned ash ponds, and ecological monitoring in the project areas and its surroundings. The station is undertaking massive afforestation programs for plant, township, and green belt of the project. Till date, the station has planted more than 21 lakh trees in and around the project. The station has signed an MOU with MP State Forest Department to plant 5 lakh trees in the next 10 years. The massive afforestation will not only contribute to aesthetics, but also serving as sink for the pollutants released from the station and reduce the carbon emission, thereby protecting the quality of ecology and environment in and around the project. Thrust has also been given to biodiesel plantation, including Pongamia and Jatropa. A pilot project for extraction of seeds from biodiesel plants has also been set up. About 110 liters of biodiesel is produced per day to use in trucks and tractors being used in the nursery. The station has also undertaken various sustainable development projects such as installations of 500 kVA solar PV modules, installation of solar water heaters in the township, replacement of conventional general lighting with CFL and LED lamps at various locations. Energy audit of the plant is regularly undertaken for improving energy conservation and to reduce carbon emissions. For all these sustainable, efficient and reliable efforts in total power generation process, this station has been awarded with a number of international and national awards. Thus, nurturing the nature, preserving the biodiversity, protecting the sensitive flora and fauna in the vicinity. NTPC Vindhyachal is where nature flourishes in all her variety.